In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini in Google Drive to summarize files. By the end, you'll have Gemini connected to your Google Workspace and ready to help you quickly summarize documents right inside Drive. First, open your Gemini account in your browser and sign in. Once you're on the main Gemini page, look for the settings icon, usually shown as a small gear. Click that to open the settings panel. In Settings, find the section labeled Connected Apps. This is where you manage which Google services can work directly with Gemini. Inside Connected Apps, make sure Google Workspace is enabled. Turning this on allows Gemini to interact with tools like Google Drive so it can read supported files and respond with helpful summaries. If you see a prompt asking for permissions, confirm them so Gemini can access your Drive files when you ask it to. Without this connection, the Drive integration won't appear. Now that the connection is enabled, head over to your Google Drive. On the right-hand sidebar, you should see the Gemini icon. Click it to open the Gemini panel, then follow the prompt to activate Gemini in Drive. This step links what you set up in Gemini's settings to the Drive interface, so you can use it without leaving your files. A quick note: this feature may only be available if you're subscribed to an eligible plan. If your account doesn't have access, you may see an upgrade message in Drive or in Gemini. If you do have access, you can proceed to start prompting Gemini about your files. To summarize a file, select or open the document you want help with, then use the Gemini panel on the right. Type a clear prompt such as "Summarize this document in a short paragraph" or "Provide key takeaways and action items from this file." You can also ask for a shorter or longer summary, a tone adjustment, or a focus on specific sections. Just mention what you need in plain language. If you have multiple files, reference them by name so Gemini knows exactly which one to use. When you're done, you can copy the summary back into your document or share it with your team. That's it. You opened your Gemini account, enabled Google Workspace in Settings, went to Drive, clicked the Gemini icon to activate it, and started entering prompts about your files. Keep your prompts specific for the best results, and remember that access depends on your plan. Thanks for watching, and enjoy faster, clearer summaries in Google Drive with Gemini.